The Craftsman 20-volt drill combo features advanced brushless motors in both the drill driver and impact driver, offering increased efficiency and longevity. With a remarkable 60% more power in the drill driver and up to 1,800 inch-pounds of torque in the impact driver, this combo kit delivers impressive performance. Designed for speed, the impact driver achieves up to 3,200 revolutions per minute, while the drill driver reaches up to 2,000 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for a variety of tasks. Both tools are equipped with a convenient chuck system that ensures high bit retention and allows for quick and easy bit changes. The integrated LED work light is a handy feature that provides excellent visibility in dimly lit workspaces. Complete with 2 batteries and a charger, this kit is well equipped to handle building, repairing, restoring, and maintaining projects efficiently.